a replica of the first level in Yoshi's Crafted World. Those are all the Yoshis I made, and I used like recycled things to make their costumes, like you can buy in the gumball machines. So I'll use this one to guide you through the world. So first, he's on the yellow tape, and then he kicks it down like that. And then he goes up there, and there's the trampoline-y thing, and he can go through that hole. You can see him through it. Or you can jump over it and go like that. And then there's the bridge that the train goes underneath.